we'll guide you through how to integrate WooCommerce with Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure you have WooCommerce installed and activated. You need to go to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. Now, head over to WooCommerce Settings by clicking on the WooCommerce menu and selecting Settings. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Payments. Click on it, and you'll find Stripe listed among the payment gateways. Make sure to toggle the corresponding switch to enable it. Next, click on Manage, or Set Up next to Stripe. You'll need to enter your Stripe account details here. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you can create one on the Stripe website, but if you already do, log into your Stripe dashboard. In your Stripe dashboard, you'll find your API keys under the Developers section, which is usually in the top right corner. Copy the publishable key and secret key from Stripe. Go back to WooCommerce and paste these keys into the respective fields. Make sure you hit Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now your WooCommerce store is connected to Stripe. You might want to do a test transaction to ensure everything is working smoothly. You can do this by enabling Test Mode in the Stripe settings of WooCommerce and using the test card numbers that Stripe provides. This way, you can simulate transactions without any actual money being involved. Once you're satisfied that everything is configured correctly, remember to switch off test mode to start accepting real payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.